One of the hardest things I had to adjust to when I moved to Jamaica in 1992 as a 10-year-old was that little girls were expected to wear dresses and skirts. They didn't wear shorts at all. And pants, there was really no point to that because it was hot and sticky and humid most of the time. But when I moved there, dresses and skirts were the norm for girls. It was their uniform, and they were expected to be able they were expected to wear them during the day, moving around the house, doing yard work, doing farming. The women would be out farming in these skirts. They just wore dresses and skirts all the time. And I had just come from the United States, California. We wore shorts 80% of the year, and the other 20 we wore pants maybe, and I would wear a dress to church, and the minute we were done at church, I'd be peeling that thing off and finding comfy clothes. No way was I keeping that on. When we moved to Jamaica, my mom had to buy me multiple dresses and skirts to make sure that I had enough for everyday wear, and wearing shorts was only allowed if we were at home and if I wasn't going to be seen by anyone who was from the church. As long as there was no camp happening. That was when I was allowed to wear shorts. Pants I didn't even want to wear because it was just hot and sticky, but that was it. That was a really huge thing for me. And that girls didn't climb trees. Girls didn't play soccer or cricket with the boys or basketball, which we also had a basketball court. Girls didn't do any of that at the age of 10. They might do it when they were really little, but by the time they got to my age, 10, they weren't doing any of that. They were talking about boys and talking about makeup and talking about those sorts of things. And I didn't want to do any of that. I was a tomboy. Are you kidding me? I wanted to go and play tag and climb on the rocks and climb the trees and go and build lean-tos in the big, tall elephant grass by our house. So it was really difficult for me to find friends, and that was something that was really hard for me to adjust to, was just that suddenly I was expected. Suddenly all of the things about myself that mattered to me were not acceptable in the culture that I had moved to. That was really a challenge for me.